The Wacol Army Barracks opened in 1942 and after closing in 2002 was purchased by GTP Metroplex, who developed the property. Volvo Trucks chose the location as their new dealership and service flagship outlet. Shadforth's civil contractors commenced earthworks on the precinct in May 2017. Sheehy Partners consulting engineers were engaged to design a large retaining wall that was required along the northern boundary. A hybrid reinforced soil and gabion cavity wall was chosen, which offered both structural integrity as well as a unique architectural aesthetic of gabion rockfill. This created banded and coloured patterns in the face of the 9.5 metre wall, stretching some 350 metres along the boundary. Concrib was engaged to offer a complete turnkey package for the supply and construction of the wall, which commenced in June of 2017 and was completed in October 2017.